Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is a really easy potato, onion and cheese paratha, which is a stuffed flatbread. It's really easy to make and we've got all the ingredients readily available in our kitchens. So let me run through the ingredients quickly and we'll start cooking. So the ingredients you're going to need are 2 cups of chapati flour. Now if you don't have this, you can use plain flour as well. I have lukewarm water in a jug here which we're going to use to make the dough with, and we've got extra flour for dusting as well. I've got 2 medium baking potatoes which I've grated with the skin on and just put them into this bowl with water to stop them from colouring. I have a medium onion which I've also grated, and 100 grams of mild cheddar cheese which I've grated as well, and butter to make the paratha. Now the following spices I have is half a teaspoon each of dried chilli flakes, black pepper, salt and dried mixed herbs. So let's start cooking. So we're going to start by making the dough. So just to add some water into this and just use your fingers and bring all the dough together. Just add a little bit more water just to stop it from sticking, and then just knead that for about 2 minutes and let that rest for about 30 minutes before we start cooking. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to heat the pan that we're going to use to cook in, and we want that really nice and hot. And whilst that's heating up, I'm going to go drain the potatoes. So the pan's really nice and hot now, so in with the butter. Just make sure that's melted. And then straight in with your potatoes. And we're going to cook these for about 4 to 5 minutes. So guys, this has been cooking away for 5 minutes and we're ready to add the rest of the ingredients. But before I do that, I'm just going to take a little bit out for my toddler and put that to the side because she'll be wanting something as well to eat when she wakes up from her nap. So now in with the onions. And we'll just add all the spices in now. So the mixed dried herbs, the chilli flakes, the salt and the black pepper. And just cook this for about 2 minutes. So any sort of like excess water from the onions just dries out because we want a dry filling. That is done. Now what we want to do is remove that from the heat, put that to the side and let that cool down completely, and then we're going to start making the paratha. Right, I've just transferred the mixture into a bigger bowl. It's completely cooled, and now I'm going to add the cheese into this. And just gently mix that through. And now we're ready to make the paratha. So we're now ready to start making the paratha. So dust the work surface lightly with some flour. And you want to take 2 medium-sized balls, roughly the same size as the other, and just knead them into little balls like that. And I have my pan on the heat, so that's heating up nicely, ready for when we put the paratha in the pan to cook. Just put one to the side and then form a circle. And we want to do the same with the second dough ball as well. Again, the same size. And then bring the 2 together like that. And we're going to spoon the filling onto one of them. Make sure you get it right to the edges. And I like to be quite generous with my fillings. There's nothing worse tucking into a paratha and not having enough filling. The more filling, the better. That's a generous amount. And if you can just see, I've left a gap, probably about ½ an inch all the way around, which will help seal the edges once we put the top chapati layer on top. And now what you want to do is you want to grab a little bit of butter, just a little bit, and then just dollop that just around the top. And that just adds absolutely great flavour. Like that. And then you want to just add that on top and just stretch it, and then take it right to the edges and just push down. Just like that. Just like that. And then get some more flour, just dust the top of that, turn it on the opposite side, do the same thing there, and then gently roll. Just roll that to the desired size that you want. Now my paratha are normally quite big, so this is the size that my paratha are normally, and I'm happy with that. And now this is ready to go into the pan and get cooked. So my pan is nice and hot. I have a wedge of butter here, which I've just put a knife through, and I'm going to put some on the bottom of the pan like that, so it just greases it ever so lightly. And then I'm just going to add this paratha straight in like that and let that cook until it's cooked evenly on the bottom, and then we're going to put butter on top, and then we're going to flip it over, and I'll show you how that looks. So as you can see guys, the colour's changed on top of the paratha. We can now add some butter on top like that. I'm just going to get one of these and just press it down. Just so it gives the paratha a really nice colour. Flip it over as well. Wow, smells amazing. Oh, the cheese and onion. Just add a little bit more butter to this. And there you have it guys, my potato, cheese and onion paratha is ready. I'm just going to continue making the rest of them, and then I'll plate it up and show you exactly how it looks. So guys, here are my stuffed paratha. How beautiful do they look? I'm just going to open up and show you the filling now. Wow, look at that. And it smells amazing. That cheese is melted really nicely and it's moist. And I can't wait to tuck into this, so I will do that and tell you exactly how it tastes. So let me tuck into this and tell you exactly how it is. This is so good. It's like a cheese and onion pasty in a paratha. This is really good guys. You need to try this. The cheese is nice and soft and melted. The onions you can taste, and the potatoes are amazing. It's not spicy, it's just got lots of flavour. So guys, if you like the recipe, give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and hit that bell button to be notified of any updates. And in the meantime, I'll leave you with this recipe. Enjoy cooking, and I'll see you soon with another video very soon. Take care, happy cooking!